Central Gujarat is preparing for a major investment and development event as Vadodara gets ready to host the Vibrant Gujarat Regional Conference, or VGRC, in the last week of June 2026. Inspired by the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and led by Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, the conference aims to strengthen Gujarat's position as one of India's fastest growing economic hubs. The event will focus on 10 important districts including Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Gandhinagar, Anand and Narmada, which together contribute nearly 28% of Gujarat's manufacturing output. Central Gujarat has emerged as a powerhouse in sectors like automobiles, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, food processing, electronics and textiles. Officials say the region recorded exports worth more than $20 billion in the last financial year, showcasing Gujarat's growing global reach. Major projects like the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, Dholera Special Investment Region and Mandal Becharaji SIR are also driving industrial growth and attracting investors from across the world. Along with business and industry, VGRC will also promote Gujarat's tourism and cultural heritage. Global attractions such as the Statue of Unity, Sabarmati Ashram, Lakshmi Vilas Palace and Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park are expected to draw international attention. After the success of early VGRC editions in Mehsana, Rajkot and Surat, the Vadodara conference is expected to bring together investors, industry leaders and policymakers to create new opportunities for growth, jobs and development across.
2047 જ્યારે આઝાદીના 100 વર્ષ થાય ત્યારે આ દેશ વિકસિત દેશ હોવો જોઈએ.
વિકસિત ભારત અને વિકસિત ભારત માટે વિકસિત ગુજરાત થકી આપણે સૌથી વધારે લીડ કોઈ લે વિકસિત ભારતમાં તો એ ગુજરાત લે અને ગુજરાત હર હંમેશ દેશનું ગ્રોથ એન્જિન થયું છે રહેશે એનું કારણ કે આપ સૌ સાથે મળી અને આપણે આગળ વધી